Welcome to this video about Signs Interiors and Architects, featuring current projects, including the flat interiors for Mr. Rama Rao. This video highlights the work done for our client, Mr. Rama Rao, focusing on the flat interior project. Here we continue to showcase the interior design for Mr. Rama Rao's flat, a key project for Signs Interiors and Architects. Further details of the flat interiors for Mr. Rama Rao are presented here, illustrating our design approach. Continuing the review of the flat interior project for Mr. Rama Rao, emphasizing the quality of work by Signs Interiors and Architects. This scene provides another glimpse into the flat interiors designed for Mr. Rama Rao. The design elements of Mr. Rama Rao's flat interiors are displayed here. Continuing the showcase of the flat interior project for Mr. Rama Rao, focusing on the detailed execution of the flat interiors for Mr. Rama Rao. More views of the interior design work completed for Mr. Rama Rao. A continuation of the visual documentation of Mr. Rama Rao's flat interiors. This scene further illustrates the design choices made for the client, Mr. Rama Rao, highlighting the finished flat interiors for Mr. Rama Rao. Another look at the quality and style of the flat interiors for Mr. Rama Rao. The interior design project for Mr. Rama Rao is nearing completion in this view. Concluding the segment on the flat interiors for client Mr. Rama Rao. Moving on to other interior design features implemented for Mr. Rama Rao's flat. This scene provides additional perspectives on the flat interiors, showcasing the attention to detail in Mr. Rama Rao's flat interiors. Final views of the successful flat interior project for Mr. Rama Rao. Presenting another project by Signs Interiors and Architects, a duplex house. Continuing to showcase the duplex house project by Signs Interiors and Architects. Next, we present the MVP Office Complex project for the Honey Group. Details of the MVP Office Complex designed for the Honey Group. Another view of the MVP Office Complex project for the Honey Group. Introducing the Lawson's Bay Apartments project for the Argo Farms Group. Showcasing the design and architecture of the Lawson's Bay Apartments. This final scene provides another perspective on the Lawson's Bay Apartments for the Argo Farms Group.